I'm going to brutally honestly review KSI Prime to see if it's a real deal. Now, I'm in Canada. You do not understand how hard it was to find this, because when looking online, all I saw was ridiculous prices. I seen people selling this for as much as $1,000 on eBay, which is absolutely insane. I actually got this from a reseller. If I'm not mistaken, I paid about 60 Canadian dollars, which is nuts when you think about it for a drink that's 500 milliliters. Now, unfortunately, it's open, as I've already tasted this before. However, I'm gonna keep this true and unbiased and give you the taste test review, because a lot of people are saying KSI Prime is the best flavor of Prime. Now, let's put it to the test. Go in for the sip. Okay, so right away, you can taste like the orangey mango, and I believe it is orange mango flavor. Yeah, it is orange mango. So right away, it does taste like orange mango. And honestly, guys, it's really good. When I tried this for the first time, it literally tastes like juice. And no exaggeration there, it literally tastes like juice, not like some of the other Prime flavors. Like, okay, we got glowberry over here, which is also a very good Prime flavor, but you could taste, it tastes like a sports drink, like a Gatorade. This on the other hand, literally tastes like juice. Now, let me know in the comments below, if you're watching this in the UK, do most of Primes taste similar to the KSI Prime? Because that's the case, I think in the UK, they have completely different health regulations and they're making juice and passing it off as a sports hydration drink. However, this tastes freaking phenomenal. On a scale of 1 to 10, if Lemonade Prime is a 9.5 out of 10, this would literally be an 11 out of 10. KSI Prime blows Lemonade Prime out of the freaking water. This is one of my favorite Prime flavors. However, it still tastes like a sports energy drink. This on the other hand, literally tastes like juice. So easy, 11 out of 10. Doesn't even taste like Prime. Literally tastes like juice in a bottle. If you get your hands on it, you definitely gotta try it. However, guys, I would not recommend spending $40, $50, $60. Your best bet is wait for it to come around. If you're in the United States or Canada, it's gonna be really hard to find it at an affordable price. If I do go down to the UK, maybe I'll grab a case and do a giveaway, because I really want you guys to try this flavor because it is freaking phenomenal. Hopefully they one day release it in North America and all the other countries that distribute Prime, because this one might actually be the best flavor of Prime. That's my brutally honest review of KSI Prime. You let me know what you think in the comment section below if you think it's worth it.